step into the GMC 2016 Canyon SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo, a diagonal color touchscreen, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.